Good evening, everyone. Well, I am working on the line that is going down to the coal mine, and I discovered that back when I laid in the riser foam for this turn that goes underneath the bridge, I actually somehow made it smaller than it should have been. So I'm having to do some readjusting. I should have started this recording earlier, but as you can see, I went ahead and cut out the plaster cloth, and I'm going to scab in some riser material to be able to make this area wider to be able to accommodate the curve that is going underneath the bridge. So you can see some of the rubbish there, which I now need to throw away. I'll come back in a moment, show you how I've added in a new piece of foam. Okay, so I have added in some more riser material, only I did it up on its edge, and wrapped that around to reshape this curve. And I've just done some rough sanding to start to smooth things out. The next step's going to be to backfill this area and reshape it with some sculptamold before I go any further. Okay, so I've got the area reshaped with sculptamold. Of course, bright white at the moment, just freshly put in, hasn't even fully cured at this point. But filling in around all that foam and reshaping that now allows the track to sit into the needed area here and have plenty of room on both sides. Get that right where it needs to be there to allow the train to go through. So that's how that's going to all work out in this area. Obviously got a little bit more to do to finish up the shaping and getting everything back in order and ready to run. That'll be the next thing. So hopefully next up will be to reshape the hill area here a little bit, because I definitely don't like this large stair step that's going on back in here. So I need to reshape that a little bit. And then start to get the roadbed down and lay the track. So thanks very much. Hope that you'll join again next time.